I would like to talk about a suicide prevention app. The name of the app is Let's Live. And we know suicidal is a serious and increasing problem in all the world. It has been the second leading cause of death for young and adult in the world. So the main operation of this app, based on a few questionnaire, it will give a result and it will help to go back the committed suicide. So that's why the first of all you can see do you feel suicidal, and when you click no, then it will give you a message, especially thanks for your this kind of decision. And then if you want to learn about more, that means what is suicide and suicidal behaviors, sign and symptom, cause, treatment, prevent, you can learn from here. And when you have chose that you feel suicidal, then you have to answer few questions. So the first question is, do you consider yourselves to be spiritual or religious? I'm just yes. And then which religion do you identify with? And then are you currently experience overwhelming sadness, grief, depression? Yes. Are you currently experiencing an anxiety, panic, attack, or have any phobias? Yes. Do you feel hopeless? No. Are you currently experiencing any chronic panic? Are you currently taking any medicine? Yes. How would you rate your current sleeping habits? It's God. Have you trapped by someone? No. Do you drink alcohol or use other drug? Yes. Have you even taken steps to commit suicide? Yes. Have you even thought about committing suicide? Yes. Have you ever attempted to commit suicide in the past? Yes. Have you ever been in counseling or therapy before? No. When is the last time you had a plan for suicide? It's never. So you have completed your questionnaire. So now when you click next, you can see the result. But first you have to be a login user. So let's create an account. I'm giving the name is Mr. David the rate of gmail.com. The mobile number 018212223. The password will be 6. That's it. I'm click on submit. So it's registered successfully and also logged in. So now if you now let's click the next and you can see the result. And this result say, dear Mr. David, suicide is a great sin. Why do you have to take your life for things that can be overcome? Okay, so based on your questionnaire, it's recommended few videos and few contact with counselor and the information. So when you click the watch video about prevention, then you can find the few videos, you can watch it and you can learn about the prevention of suicide. And the same contact with consultant, you got few consultants mobile numbers and contact address. You can contact with them by a call or SMS or email. Okay. And then if you think you need to learn more about the cause of suicidal or treatment or symptom suicidal behaviors, you can learn from here. So also you can get the emergency support if you need. It will go, it will call the emergency number. And in this app you can see your profile, like click on the profile and you can see my basic information. So I hope it's this app helped you for overcome by taking the decision of committing suicidal. And it's help you to learn more about the prevention of suicidal. Thank you.